Hello guys, welcome to imap.pk. I am your host Hamid, showing you how to install cursor in your device. Firstly, go to settings. In settings, there is an option about phone. Click it. There is an last option build number. Click it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is written no need, you have already enabled it. Go back to the setting. There is an option written developer option. Click it. Let it on. There written allow develop setting. Okay. There is an input panel. In input panel there is first option written show tab. Click it on. Then you will see guys, we have installed cursor in our device. Now go back to the setting. Go back to the developer option. If we let it off, then we see there's no cursor in device. If guys you please do like my video and subscribe our page. Take care.